Hello viewers, welcome to another lecture of digital communication. This is totally conducted by Ganon, powered by Wishbag. I am Professor Aditya De. In this segment, we are going to discuss BFSK modulation. Let us consider a digital signal which is represented by 100 111 01 sequence. This signal will be binary frequency shift keying by using two carriers, one with a carrier of high frequency and one with a carrier of low frequency. Now, when the signal is 1, the corresponding modulated signal carrier will be high, and when the signal is 0, the corresponding carrier frequency will be low, as you can see in the figure. If the message signal BT is equal to 1, then BFSK is SHT is equal to root PS cos 2 pi FCT plus omega t. And if the message signal BT is 0, then BFSK is SLT is equal to root PS cos 2 pi FC minus omega t. Hence, the frequency will increase or decrease by the omega term. The tabular representation of BFSK is given by when the BT is input. It may be 1 or 0. Let us consider DT is a voltage level which is plus 1 volt or minus 1 volt. PH is a high level of the signal which is plus 1 volt or maybe 0 volt. This is plus 1 when the input is 1 and 0 when the input is 0. This is reverse in case of the PLT. PLT is equal to 0 when the input is 1 and it is 1 plus 1 volt when input is 0. Hence, ST is equal to root PS cos 2 pi FCT plus DT into omega t. So, FH is equal to FC plus omega by 2 pi for the symbol representation of 1 and FL is equal to FC minus omega by 2 pi for symbol is equal to 0. Let us consider the modulation block diagram of the BFSK. The signal is transmitted with a high level or a low level, and the signal is level shifted to root PSTB. Correspondingly, when the signal is 1, in this case PHT is 1 and PLT is 0. So, when the signal is 1, it is totally modulated by the carrier frequency phi 1t is equal to root 2 by TB cos 2 pi FHT. And when the signal is 0, that is BT is equal to PLT or PHT is equal to 0. So, it is modulated by the carrier signal phi 2t is equal to root 2 by TB cos 2 pi FLT. Now, let us discuss what is the bandwidth of this BFSK. The bandwidth of BFSK is 2 FB plus 2 FB is equal to 4 FB, where FB is the frequency of the original message signal. Now, let us discuss continuous phase frequency shift keying or CPFSK. It is given by SIT is equal to root 2 EB by TB cos 2 pi FIT, where small t is lies between capital T suffix B and between the 0. I is equal to 1 and 2 for 2 frequency level. The set of the orthonormal basis function for the BFSK is given by pi IT is equal to root 2 TB cos 2 pi FIT, where t is lies between 0 and TB. So, what is Sij? It is integration 0 to TB SIT phi jt dt. If you put the value of SIT and phi jt, it will become root EB for I equal to j and 0 for I not equal to j. The two message signal of BFSK on phi 1t and phi 2t are S1 is equal to root EB0 and S2 is equal to 0 root EB. The signal space representation is as shown in the figure. The Euclidean presentation is also shown in this picture. So S1 is equal to root EB0 and S2 is 0 root EB. The bit error rate or BER of BFSK is given by PE is equal to half ERFC. What is ERFC? ERFC is error function root over root EB by 2N0. This is the bit error rate for the BFSK. So what we have discussed today? We have discussed the BFSK basic concept. Then we discussed BFSK mathematical presentation. After that, we discussed BFSK transmitter. Next, we discussed BFSK spectrum and bandwidth. Lastly, we discussed Euclidean signal space representation. That's all for this segment. Practice the relations and practice the block diagram of the BFSK transmitter repeatedly. Thank you, viewers. Bye.